So which restaurant did you visit?
It was Galitos.
Bramalea City Centre, right?
Yep.
And what would you rate it out of 10 and why?
It was 10 for me because I really like the dishes there. It's a Portuguese restaurant and my favorite dish is chicken poutine from there.
And approximately how much money did you spend per person?
Per person, we just took the one combo, so it was around $16. Yep.
Because I know there's a lot of other restaurants like in the food court here. So like what stands out about Galitos over like the other restaurants? Is it better than the other restaurants in Bramalea City Centre?
So like the other restaurants, they are like mostly the burger things, right? Like KFC, McDonald's. This was something different. Yep.
So the other one's like more like classic, like this is a little bit more special and everything, so it's a little bit better. Okay, awesome. Thank you.